In this video, I show you how to fix fail to load content. Please try again reload problem on Twitter or X. For fixing this problem, first of all, check that your X or Twitter app is up to date or not. For checking this, go to Play Store, search for X, click on it, update if available update, then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for X, click on X, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now open X app. Now I hope that this method fix fail to load content. Please try again Twitter or X problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.